What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna start this video off as at a meet. I run a car club here in BC called Socialights, and it's our first meet in the longest time. We haven't had a meet in almost 2 years, and we're 25 minutes in, and this is what it looks like right now. Now, we just had restrictions lift up. Literally, like, probably 2 days before this, we were only allowed 50 people outside at outdoors events. And like I said, they just lifted restrictions, and now we're allowed 5,000 people, so we lucked out really good here. We're obviously gonna try and keep our distance with everything. And yeah, I'm just gonna do a bunch of B-roll and cinematics of this meet. I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna see you guys after. But yeah, see you guys. So yeah, let's cue the cinematics right now.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Let's take one thing clear.
For the record.
Get this one thing. Get this one thing
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed all that cinematics. That meet was incredible. That is the first meet we had in probably 2 years now, and you guys absolutely killed it. Me and Matt have been waiting to do a meet for so long, and it couldn't have gone any better. So if you guys were at the meet and you're watching this video, thank you guys. You guys did amazing. We had literally next to no unwanted guests. We had a couple people do like burnouts or excessive revving, but it really wasn't that bad. We had almost 150 cars show up. Just absolutely amazing. So this is where this video is going to end. It wasn't a very long video. It's actually a lot harder to vlog in the middle of a meet than I thought it would be, but I'm going to do better next time. I know there's a lot of different times, or a lot of times where I could have done better, and reviewing some of this footage already is just, I know where I can improve. So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.